Welcome to the best picks. The best Rustoleum Clear Coat is probably one of the most versatile protective finishes you can use. Whether you're looking to revitalize a piece of furniture, protect a metal surface from rust, or add a layer of durability to plastic, this clear coat has you covered. It's designed to enhance the appearance of your projects while providing a robust shield against the elements, ensuring longevity and preserving the original look. Number 5. Rust-Oleum Chalked Matte Clear Topcoat Spray. This topcoat is perfect for creating a vintage look on your projects. It works on a variety of surfaces such as wood, metal, and canvas. It's easy to distress and achieve that desired aged appearance. The oil-based formula provides excellent coverage. It gives a timeless look to your projects. It's a great way to add a touch of elegance to your home decor. This topcoat dries quickly, in just 20 minutes. It covers up to 12 square feet with just one coat, making your projects easier to complete. This allows you to finish your projects faster. With minimal prep, this topcoat adheres excellently to various surfaces. Application is easy, saving you time and effort. It's designed for ease of use. The protective topcoat dries to an ultramatte, velvety, smooth finish. It enhances the look and feel of your projects. It provides a professional finish. What we like. This topcoat gives your projects a unique, ultramatte finish. It's perfect for creating that sought-after vintage look. If you are looking to add a touch of timeless elegance to your furniture or crafts, you should consider this. What people say. The clear coat is easy to apply. It provides a durable and long-lasting finish. It protects the surface from UV rays and other environmental factors. Number 4. Rustoleum 770-1830 Stops Rust Spray Paint. This spray paint is designed to protect both interior and exterior surfaces. It's an oil-based formula that provides a durable coating with excellent rust prevention. This product is weather and corrosion resistant, making it ideal for a variety of applications. It will protect surfaces from the elements and prevent rust from forming. You can use it on wood, metal, concrete, masonry, and more. It's a versatile solution for protecting different materials around your home or work site. The paint dries to the touch in just 2 to 4 hours. It covers up to 15 square feet, allowing you to complete your projects efficiently. It offers excellent resistance to abrasion, fading, and chipping. The glossy finish provides a fresh shine, keeping your surfaces looking their best for longer. What we like. This clear coat is designed to protect against the elements, offering excellent rust prevention. Its durable coating ensures your surfaces are well protected. If you have outdoor metal items that need protection from weather and corrosion, you should consider this. What people say. It covered everything perfectly, and had a very nice gloss after it dried. It is very easy to apply and doesn't take that long to dry. I use this lacquer after I apply touch-up paint to my car. Works great. Number 3. Rustoleum EPOXYSHIELD Premium Garage Floor Coating Kit. This coating features a low odor and low VOC formula, making it perfect for indoor use. It's designed for concrete surfaces like garages and basements. This makes the application process more pleasant. The 2-part epoxy coating offers great adhesion and durability. It's also resistant to chemicals and hot tire pickup. This ensures the floor stays protected and looks great for a long time. Each kit can cover up to 500 square feet on painted surfaces, or 250 square feet on bare concrete. This allows you to easily calculate how many kits you'll need for your project. Be sure to measure your space beforehand. The coating is walk-ready in just 24 hours and vehicle-ready in 72 hours. It comes in an easy-to-use burst pouch, which reduces waste. You can get back to using your space quickly. This heavy-duty coating provides a high-gloss, protective finish. It gives your floor a showroom-quality look that lasts. It's a great way to upgrade and protect your concrete surfaces. What we like. This is a heavy-duty epoxy coating designed for garage floors. It offers superior chemical resistance and durability. If you are looking for a long-lasting, showroom-quality finish for your garage floor, you should consider this. What people say. After applying 2 coats of Rust-Oleum, gunmetal gray, epoxy shield with flakes to my 800 square foot garage floor, I elected to add this Rustoleum Clear Coat. Upon applying the gray coatings, I found that the materials went farther than what was printed on the box, i.e., 450 to 500 square feet, so I elected to purchase just one box of the clear coat and hoped I could cover the entire 800 square feet with one application. It worked. I was able to completely coat the entire 800 square feet without an issue. I did this in just 1 hour. Used 10 pack of this to paint the floor of our warehouse. It worked awesome. Showroom quality finish. Number 2. Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Spray Paint. This spray paint is perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. It works great on wood, plastic, metal, and more. It's a great choice for all your painting needs. The oil-based formula is designed to be low odor. It also resists chips and provides long-lasting protection. You can count on it to keep your surfaces looking great. It dries to the touch in just 20 minutes, allowing you to complete your projects faster. Each can covers up to 12 square feet. This product helps you save time and effort. The durable formula ensures excellent coverage and goes on smoothly. It provides a fresh, new look for any surface. You'll be impressed with the results. This product provides a beautiful gloss finish. It gives surfaces a fresh, updated look. It's an easy way to revitalize your items. It features any angle spray technology. This allows you to spray from any direction. This feature makes it easier to use. The Comfort Spray tip provides added control and reduces finger fatigue. This makes it easier and more comfortable to use. It's designed for your convenience. What we like. This clear coat offers a low odor formula, making it pleasant to use. It also features any angle spray for easy application. If you are looking for a user-friendly clear coat that provides excellent coverage and a fresh look, you should consider this. What people say. The clear coat went on smooth and dried quickly. It has held up well to the elements and still looks great. The finish is very durable. Number 1. Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Latex Paint, Quart, Gloss Clear. This paint is perfect for both indoor and outdoor projects. It's designed to give your surfaces a fresh, new look, protecting them for the long term. You can use this paint on various surfaces like wood, metal, plaster, and even ceramic. Its versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of projects. The water-based acrylic formula is low odor, making it pleasant to work with. It also resists chips and provides lasting protection, ensuring your projects stay beautiful. This paint dries to the touch in just 30 minutes, allowing for quick project completion. It covers up to 120 square feet, providing excellent value. Before applying, sand the surface, then clean it with a degreaser. Once dry, the paint goes on smoothly, providing excellent coverage and a glossy finish. This paint is built for both indoor and outdoor use. It's also UV resistant, ensuring that it maintains its color and integrity over time. What we like. This clear coat uses a water-based acrylic formula for easy cleanup. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, providing long-lasting protection. If you need a versatile clear coat for various projects, you should consider this. What people say. It worked great. Was a bit weird painting clear paint, but it worked great. My walls are totally sealed and look great. And it repels the water. Exceptional coverage, offers more than double the coverage compared to other paints, allowing you to complete projects faster. Fast drying, touchable in 20 minutes and fully handled in an hour, making it easy to complete jobs in a short time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.